Welcome to Gadget Fix, the home of new technology, and my name is Ed Hurst. Gadget Fix's mission is to provide the latest technology delivered directly to you, which Apple don't want you to know about. We're going to offer you the latest news, interviews, and rumors and in-depth reviews of the latest technology. We're going to send you the secret information of how we repair your device, while giving you tips to keep your gadgets safe. Gadget Fix will show you how to use your device to their optimal performance. We have over 1,000 5-star Google reviews from clients in business and the public domain over the last 3 years. Our reviews outperformed Apple locations in New York, Paris, and London. We've recently been awarded the best repair center in the local area. I have worked with the best companies in the world, including IBM, for over 5 years, working with multinational organizations on a variety of successful projects. I found working for a blue chip company did not really do anything for me over the last 20 years. So I started my own company, and I've never looked back since. Gadget Fix are going to broadcast weekly the latest technology news. So why don't you connect with Gadget Fix and get to know how the tech world really works? Subscribe to us now and push that magic button. Thank you. Ed Hurst out.